Welcome to Regression Diagnostics course using STATA. And this course is good for anybody doing data analysis, especially regression, and you want to know whether you are meeting all the assumptions about linear regression. The course content include, as I said, the course is about assumption regarding linear regression estimate, and the course consists of 3 main modules. The very first module is about the error term, assumption regarding the error term, and the second we consist of conditional mean 0. So the error term should have a conditional mean value of 0, and we also have the normality assumption, and we have homoscedasticity assumption, and we have independence. Okay, the error term should have 0 correlation. Okay, and we also have module 2, which consists of assumption regarding the model specification. For example, we will talk about linearity. Most of the time, researchers think that the relationship they are modeling is linear between X and Y. But it may not be the case. Sometimes we can have a concave or converse relationship, all right? So we can test to see whether we are modeling the correct relationship. And we will talk about multicollinearity problem regarding the X variables. We will also talk about omitted variables assumption, whether we have included all relevant variables or not. Okay, then in the third module consists of assumption regarding the observation, whether we have influential observations or not. And then we will use 3 approaches to detect influential observations, what we often call outliers. The first approach is the Cook distance approach, which is about assumption. The assumption is about the entire model. Okay, the effect of the influential observation on the entire model. The second approach, the DL beta, is about the effect of each outlier on the X variables, each of the X variable, in particular the coefficients. Okay, and the third approach is called the leverage, which is about a combination of the influential values or observation on the X variables. The course materials include 12 on-demand lectures on different topics, as we will see. And you have 2 tests, 2 multiple choice tests for assessment to ensure that you understand all that is covered in this course. And you have 2 retake possibilities. Then we will also give data set that we may have. We will be using data set already installed in STATA, but if the need arises, we will give you an additional data set that are not covered in STATA. Then we'll give you a list of recommended readings for further to improve your knowledge if you want to do more than what is covered in this course. Then you also have the STATA do file. Of course, you can pause the videos and see what the command is or how the specification is, but it could be handy, it could be useful to have the do file itself, so you can just copy and modify to your taste. All right. Then you will have access to course resources and updates in the future. Also, upon completion of the course, you'll be given a certificate which can help you to get a job for those looking for jobs. Yes, so that is all about introduction, and we will cover the next topic about zero mean assumption in the next video.